Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mahatma Gandhi once said, Earth provides enough to satisfy man's needs, but not man's greed. And that's very true. Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. This is Deepthi from Transform. Hope you all are liking my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. तो आज फादर ऑफ द नेशन महात्मा गांधी जी की 152nd बर्थ एनिवर्सरी के अवसर पर क्यों ना हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की ही बात करें। बर्थडे की बात हो और पार्टी की बात ना हो, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता। तो आज हम उनकी बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पर हम ये देखेंगे कि हम किस तरह से इको फ्रेंडली वेज़ को अपनाकर अपनी घर पर ही बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं इन अ सस्टेनेबल वे, क्रिएटिंग लेस वेस्ट। तो चलिए जान लेते हैं कि वो कौन से तरीके हैं जिनसे हम बजट फ्रेंडली, इको फ्रेंडली पार्टीज सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं। Sustainable decoration is about being kind to the planet and the people. It's about choosing products that use minimal resources and the items that can last or can be reused to make sure that we leave the world in a healthy state and create less waste. This approach also connects us as good human beings. So let's get started. पेपर इनविटेशन की जगह डिजिटल इनवाइट्स क्रिएट करें और सेंड करें वाया मेल और व्हाट्सएप, like I did. Choose eco-friendly decorations or create it yourself. I made the decoration fans with newspapers. So here I kept the whole theme as a newspaper. Look at the procedure to make fans of all different sizes to create interest and variation. Not much is required to create them. The material required here is old newspapers, scissors, tape or stapler. That's it. But yes, the most important thing is your creativity. By doing this, you are not only reusing newspapers but also saving our environment. Because you are reusing the old newspapers. See, half of the fan is ready. It's not necessary to cut it from the edges. You can leave it like this only. I cut the edges to make the shape look more interesting. To make a bigger size fan, you have to make and join two small fans together. You can join them together with the help of double-sided tape or a stapler. To make a small fan, you have to flap the whole newspaper, then cut it from the center and staple it from the center and join the edges. Voila! The fan is ready. Take a bright sheet and cut it in a circle and paste it in the center of the fan. This bright color gives it a beautiful look. I hung the bigger fan in front of the entrance door to grab the attention of visitors. I had these old pamphlets of my old studio, so I had many of them left with me. So I thought of using these to make bunties. We just need old colorful pamphlets, dory, tape and scissors. I cut them and gave a shape of a triangle. Then take a dory, measure it in the length you require and stick the triangular cuttings with the help of a tape on the dory, like this. Then I took and used the leftover paper from triangles which we cut earlier from the pamphlet. And made the small triangles to be added in between the bigger triangles to make bunties. That's how I made the bunties for the decorations, and they look really nice. To make thank you cards, I used these old cards again from my old studio. Stick a newspaper cutting to hide the logo and made these handwritten thank you cards to be used on our return gifts. We packed our return gifts in newspapers. I made the happy birthday banner on a newspaper as a base. Used acrylic colors to write on it. While making bunties, I was left with some triangles, so I used these triangles on the banner. I decorated my entrance with this banner and a fan. Isn't it looking nice? For one of my accent and main wall, I created fans of different sizes and shapes with these colorful pamphlets, which was also matching with my bunties. This created an aesthetic and contrasting effect on my yellow wall as a background, which was the main attraction. For my birthday message bunties, I used these cards and thought of keeping the shape as it is. I used the acrylic colors to write the happy birthday letters on it. As my decoration theme was a newspaper, so the cake had to be with the same theme. So I created this newspaper page digitally and send it to Mom's Kitchen. They customize and make very delicious cakes, as I believe we should be vocal for local and support small homegrown business. I created these cones to serve dry snacks. The return gifts were packed in newspapers with handwritten thank you cards. I wrapped an old box with a newspaper to keep the game chits. Let's see how the whole setup looked. This is the main entrance I decorated with a birthday banner and a fan. A yellow accent wall was decorated with contrast colored bunties and fans of different shapes and sizes. Take a big fan and keep it as a focal point, and arrange other fans around it in a symmetric pattern. Again, I spread newspapers on the table and arrange it in this manner in a tiered form. When everything is well organized, it is always appealing to the eyes. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. और जिन्होंने already subscribe कर लिया है, thank you so much for your support. Till we meet again, stay safe, be happy and keep creating. Bye bye.